Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 93, and in the last video I already explained nomenclature. So today I am going to tell you about third number topic, nature of CX bond. So here you see carbon and halogen attached with carbon. So halogen attract the electrons towards from carbon. So delta negative charge appear on the halogen and delta positive charge occurs on carbon. So that is means its polar nature. So halogen atom are more electronegative than carbon. So CX bond is polarized and carbon bears a partial positive charge and halogen atom is partial negative charge. Okay. In periodic table up to down we have to go. So the size of the halogen increase, that is means iodine have a large size. So bond length also increase, carbon fluorine to carbon iodine. See CS3F, CS3Cl, CS3Br, CS3I. So 139 picometer, 178, 193 and 214. So increase the size, so increase bond length. Okay, so it is the nature of the CX bond. Next, fourth topic, preparation of haloalkane. Preparation of haloalkane. So by 3 from alcohol, from hydrocarbon and from halogen exchange. So by 3 we have to prepare haloalkanes. So first we have to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. See, from alcohol we have to prepare haloalkane. So first we have to see which acid, HI, HBr, HCl. So Lucas reagent we have to use. HCl plus zinc Cl2, ZnCl2, zinc chloride. HCl concentrate acid we have to take and zinc chloride we have to take anhydride. From alcohol, so HI is large size, HI greater than HBr then HCl. So alcohol react with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2, that is with both of mixture HCl and zinc chloride, it is a Lucas reagent. So formation R react with Cl, so RCl plus H2O. Okay, and from this method 1 degree and 2 degree alcohol only for with HCl require catalyst Lucas. But 3 degree alcohol reaction conducted by simple shaking the alcohol with concentrate HCl at room temperature. So that is means 3 degree alcohol done by this reaction done by 3 degree alcohol at room temperature. Then constant boiling with HBr. If we have to use HBr, so constant boiling with HBr, 48% use for preparing RBr. Okay. Then Ri obtained by heating alcohol with sodium. If we have to prepare Ri, iodoalkane, so alcohol heating with sodium iodide and potassium iodide in 95% orthophosphoric acid. Then order of reactivity of alcohol with a green halo acid, given halo acid is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. So the reactivity of alcohol of 3 degree is greater. Then PBr3 and PR3 are usually generated 2C2 produced in the reaction mixture by reaction of red phosphorus with Br2 and I2. That is means see total 6 reaction in given. Okay, so any different types of alcohol react with halo acid HCl, Lucas reagent ZnCl2. So RCl chloroalkane are formed. Then alcohol react with NaBr plus H2SO4. So RBr plus NaHSO4 plus H2O. Okay, then alcohol 3ROH react with PX3 and halogen here ClBr. So halogen alkyl group react with halogen, so Rx, and then 3 hydrogen and 3 oxygen with phosphorus form H3PO3. Then alcohol react with PCl5, so 1 alkyl group react with 1 halogen, so RCl, so remaining 1 P, 1 oxygen and 3 Cl, POCl3 plus HCl. Then alcohol react with SOCl2, thionyl chloride. So 1 alkyl group react with Cl, so RCl and then SO2 gas and then HCl. Then alcohol react with halogen in the presence of the red phosphorus and haloalkane are formed. R react with halogen. So in this reaction, first halogen and then red phosphorus react. Okay, first react halogen, then after red phosphorus, and then formation PX3, and then PX3 react with again alcohol ROH, then formation haloalkane. So this reaction in 2 steps. Okay, so directly we have to write alcohol in the first reaction, red phosphorus and halogen, and formation haloalkane. But this method are not applicable for the preparation of the aryl halide, because in aryl halide, because CO bond is phenol, has a partial double bond character, and then is difficult to break, being stronger than a single bond. Okay, so this method only for we have to use haloalkane. Okay, so this method we have no apply for preparation of aryl halide, because in aromatic ring double bond and double bond character, so difficult to break, being stronger than single bond. So first is from alcohol. Okay, so preparation of alcohol by 3 method. From alcohol, preparation of alcohol from alcohol, second is from hydrocarbon, third is from halogen exchange. So first from alcohol, HI, HBr, HCl. So alcohol react with HCl in the presence of zinc chloride, so RCl plus H2O. And this 6 reaction, total 6 reaction. Alcohol react with Lucas reagent, alcohol react with NaBr plus sulfuric acid, alcohol react with PX3, so PCl3 we have to take. And one time alcohol react with PCl5. So see the difference. Whenever we have to take PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, so 3 molecules of alcohol also use. Then alcohol react with PCl5, so RCl and POCl3. And alcohol react with thionyl chloride, SOCl2, so RCl and then SO2 gas and then HCl. Okay, so total 6 reaction. So different types of compound react with alcohol and then formation haloalkane. Then second one from hydrocarbon. From hydrocarbon, preparation of haloalkane. See, first is from alkanes by free radical halogenation, and second one from alkene. Okay, so first we have to see from alkanes by free radical and otherwise halogenation. So see, alkane we have to take butane, and in the presence of chlorine and ultraviolet light, otherwise heat. So one time 1 degree haloalkane form and second time 2 degree haloalkane. So that is means this is the given a complex mixture of isomeric chain. Okay, this is the 1 degree and this is the 2 degree. So Friedel-Crafts chlorination, otherwise we have to bromination. So of alkanes give a complex mixture and isomeric mono and poly alkanes, but which is difficult to separate as pure compounds. So separate as pure compounds, so yield of any single compound is low. Okay, fluorination of alkane and is difficult due to the extreme reactivity of fluorine, and it becomes difficult to control the reaction, and already you know fluorine is high reactivity. Okay, so it is in the presence of ultraviolet, so all extreme heat. Okay, due to the extreme reactivity of the fluorine, and it becomes difficult to control the reaction. Okay, then from hydrocarbon, first is done from alkane and then second from alkene. From alkene there are 2 types of category represent. First is addition alkene we take, see, but in a first addition of hydrogen halide HX, and second one addition of halogen. So addition of hydrogen halide we have to take. Addition of hydrogen halide we have to take. So order of reactivity, HI length is greater, then HBr, then HCl and then HF, and HI reactivity less comparison than HF. So if we take, see, HX, so double bond is break, one side hydrogen attached and one side halogen. See, this compound is formed, but this is symmetrical, both side hydrogen are similar attached, so it is a symmetrical, but we have to take unsymmetrical, CH3 CH double bond CH2. This double bond carbon 2 hydrogen and this double bond carbon have 1 carbon, so it is a unsymmetrical. And when we have to add HI, so mixture of isomerase compound form 1 degree iodopropane and 2 degree iodopropane. 1 degree iodopropane minor product form and 2 degree iodopropane major. Reason Markovnikov rule. Okay, because Markovnikov rule, electronegative element attach that position, they have less number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen attach maximum number of hydrogen atom. Okay, so minor and major according to the Markovnikov rule. And then addition of halogen attach like Br2 attach. So Br2 attach here, so both side Br double bond break and Br attach here, reddish brown color Br, and in laboratory in the presence of carbon tetrachloride Br attached, so it is a Vis dibromide and it is a colorless. Okay, so from alkenes addition of hydrogen halide and second one addition of halogens. Then third one, first from alcohol preparation, second from hydrocarbon, and third is Finkelstein reaction. And also we have to say halogen exchange. See, it is a naming reaction. So Rx haloalkane react with NaI in the presence of dry acetone. So alkane react with I, so Ri plus NaX. Okay, so iodoalkane are formed. Then we have to take Rx. So haloalkane, so Cl, Br, so plus NaI plus dry acetone iodoalkane plus NaX PPT. So here you see NaX and iodoalkane are formed, and here like example we take CS3Cl and then NaBr. Okay, NaI. So CS3 attached with I, so iodomethane and NaCl. So iodoalkane prepared by the reaction of RCl, RBr with a NaI, but in the presence of the dry acetone. Okay, and whenever we have to found NaCl and NaBr, but as a PPT. Okay, and this PPT in dry acetone. But it is facilitates the forward reaction according to the Le-Chatelier principles. Then, similar like Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction only for this reaction used for preparation of fluoroalkane. Fluoroalkane formed by, we have to take same. Like in a Finkelstein reaction, we have to take chloroalkane, otherwise bromoalkane. So in the Schwarz reaction also we have to take chloroalkane and bromoalkane. But heating in the presence of the metallic fluoride like AgAF, silver fluoride, Hg2F2, mercurous fluoride, COF2, cobalt fluoride, or SbF3, antimony fluoride, arsenic fluoride. So any catalyst we have to use, and then formation fluoroalkane. So see, CS3Br we have take, and then AgF react with CS3Br. So CS3 attach with fluorine, and then CS3F, fluoromethane are formed, and remaining product is AgBr. So this is the Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. Finkelstein reaction preparation iodoalkane, and Schwarz reaction used for fluoroalkane. So this is the preparation of the haloalkane, first from alcohol, second one from hydrocarbon, and third one is halogen exchange. And halogen exchange considered as a two types of naming reaction, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. So next topic I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.